Namaste and welcome to one and all. Well, I'm back with one more video for all of you today. And today the topic I have chosen is very close to my heart. I'm not going to reveal what it is, but I'm going to take you through the entire video today. And I'm sure right at the start, you're going to get exactly what I'm saying. The only clue I can give you is that NEP 2020, that is the National Education Policy 2020, has given a lot of importance to this particular topic, which I have chosen to share with all of you in this video. So do keep watching till the end, and I'm sure you're going to be able to connect with whatever I have to share with you today. I am also sharing a few glimpses of workshops which I conducted for NEP 2020, and I will also be happy to share a couple of feedbacks with you in time to come that the teachers have given regarding whatever they have learned during these workshops. So keep watching and I will see you during the video. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone here. So we are from the team Nirantara. So one of my friends has read the beautiful poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. So we have made a very beautiful concept. You can see the nature here, and the girl is lying down on the ground and she's just counting the whatever it is available. You can see here these are the natural things, either it may be a cloud or its stars and so many things. So one of my friends has explained shapes and the numbers. So now I am going to say how the child can recognize and remember even and odd numbers. Numbers are constants. So one of my friends has just now explained so how the numbers, so if it's 1, so we call the number as in 1, mathematics as 1, like that. So what are even and odd numbers? Even numbers, in one's place it will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so we call such numbers as even numbers. And if it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, we call such numbers as odd numbers. So by looking here, the clouds here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is just an example for even number. And you can see here boards, there are 3 boards, so it is an example for odd number. Thank you.
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ ಟ್ಯಾಗೂರ್ ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ ಟ್ಯಾಗೂರ್ ಅವರು ತನ್ನ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಬೋಟನ್ನ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ನೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ತಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕತ್ತಲಾದಂತಹ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಬೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹರಿಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹಡಗನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ದೋಣಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಈ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಂತೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವರು ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ ಟ್ಯಾಗೋರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. To demonstrate the whole poem in a very short way. It's a micro demonstration. As soon as all of us started doing the paper boats, the first thing that came in our minds was, yes, we are living our childhood again. It was our grandparents or our parents when we were young who taught us making boats. It's just like how we used to cycle. We learned cycling in a very young age. It's something very similar to that. If it's raining outside, we see young people making paper boats and we don't. So it speaks about how the poet is trying to speak about the innocence the little child has. He's still dreaming of the world without those harsh realities. He still thinks the night sky brings an angel and the day broad light brings happiness to him. He's living that dream, and we are still dreaming about success, property, etc. He's trying to portray a beautiful life that is going to come out, and that is the value which we are trying to portray. Second, when it comes to academics, be it subjective way, we have many little boats that, as mentioned in the poem, are racing, which will have the little child count. There is a demonstration of daylight and night sky to speak about seasons, earth, how there are two different ends to the earth. We have spoken about vegetations, be it alpine trees near the mountains or the other vegetation in the forested area. We have also represented the flowers which blooms and grows into a bigger child one day, which the young little boy is now dreaming of going and growing someday and being bigger. That is what we are trying to demonstrate. Thank you. Yeah, we have just tried to involve many subjects in one single thing so that it is not just about the literature class the student is going to enter and learn, but then through one thing he'll get a lot to learn.
Welcome back to all of you, and I hope you have liked whatever I have shared with you. Well, to conclude this video, I just want to share a couple of things with all of you. First and foremost, art is a form of expression of what we all feel, think, and understand. So art does not restrict itself to just crayons or sketch pens or paints, but art also is seen in the form of the language scripts, the different language scripts. We find art done on walls in the olden times. We also have discovered that people used art form as a language to communicate with their fellow men. So art has various forms. It can be in the form of sculpture, it can be in the form of pottery, it can be in the form of flower arrangements, it can be in the form of textile design. There are umpteen areas in which art has been used as a form of expression. So, well, how artistic are you? Get started, start practicing, because I'm sure we all have an artist hidden somewhere in us. And if you wish to have any kind of workshop related to NEP 2020 or related to art integration and empowering teachers, check the description box. All the details are given there, and I would be extremely happy to share my experiences as an artist, as a teacher, and as a teacher trainer. So I will see you soon in my next. Till then, do take good care of yourselves and have a great day ahead. Thank you.